I think for a lot of people, technology is scary because they just don't really understand it and they think it's highly complex and something quite unattainable. And I think for me, I'm just realizing more and more how technology is not only part of our everyday life, but it's also embedded in every sector, and it's going to be even increasingly as we move into the future.
It's a really exciting field if you like to think through problems logically, if you try and solve things and get tangible outcomes. I know there's a lot of stigma around it being male dominated, and that is true, but also there is a lot of support out there for women who want to pursue a career. So look out for the networks, get involved and try, because you can be as good as the men, if not better.
Please don't be scared off by the low numbers of women in tech. Please don't be scared off by that. It's not. You will always find women in every area of tech. And also, please don't be afraid of the word tech or the profession tech. Before I started working in tech, I had no idea what working in tech meant. And it can be so many different things. Tech is very creative. It works with languages. It works with people. It's very diverse.
Yeah, I feel like it's just expanding constantly. Like, it's really exciting that it's gonna be like AI is coming out and things like that. Like, everything's evolving. That's why I'm like interested in this, because it's constantly growing and growing and growing.
Even if you don't have the ambition to become a web developer, there's still so many other new careers that you can pursue. And I think it will surprise you by how much you will like it and how interesting it is. You will always keep learning, and it's super challenging but fun.
By taking this opportunity of learning how to code in such a short amount of time and entering that world, I actually proved myself this is possible. So if I would have one sentence to give to women that are watching this video, I would say don't be afraid of starting, because it's something that anybody can learn. You just need motivation, perseverance and audacity.
Seeing people develop and grow and just learn from absolutely nothing to making these amazing projects in just such a short space of time is just insane. It's really, really rewarding.
Even if there's a challenge or a problem you feel like you can't tackle or that feels too big for you, you will be able to solve it. Because especially in code, you Google something, you get your answers, you ask people, you get your answers. So at the end of the day, you will be able to do anything you want to do. So don't let anyone tell you you can't.
So if you are thinking about going into tech, please know that maybe we can clear the way for the next generations of girls who don't have to be afraid about a male-dominated profession or a male-dominated world of tech, but that we can actually show other girls and other women that tech is not scary. Tech is amazing. Tech is creative and colorful and diverse, and we should try to change the image of tech into what it actually is and what it can be.